Alright, this is my most recent creation, and it is what I call a Wasp. And it is based on the G.I. Joe X-Wing, I think it's called. It's got our pilot right there. Wild Bill. Couldn't remember his name. It's got a camera on the front. Packs some missiles all around it, and has landing gear on the back. And exhaust right there. And this actually would fly. It's got the double rotor, which would work in real life. One thing I always like to make sure of is that my aircraft would work in real life. Right. And the propellers, 5 of them are, I think, Lego imitation Lego, something like that. But the other ones are 3D printed, and they like to fall off, which is annoying. In real life, these propellers, there you go, would spin in opposition to each other to keep the aircraft from rotating, but on mine, I wasn't quite able to do that. Such is life. And the intake is right above him, which I thought was cool. It's not external. And the bottom basically is just... There we go. You can kind of see the missiles under there. And landing lights. Alright, thanks for watching.